next damage is on a motorcycle tank. I'm gonna try to glue pull it because my tool won't reach behind the damage. So let's see how it comes out. Of this dent. If you look up close, you might see a tiny little wave, but we were strictly limited to glue pulling with no tool access whatsoever.